Welcome to another edition of 2 Minute Tuesday. Actually, it's our first 2 Minute Tuesday we've ever had because you gotta start somewhere, right? So today we're going to talk about the Facebook algorithm for 2021. First things first, I want to introduce Dohn in the background there, and Marcelo's over there, and they're editing right now, so it allows me the time to do this tutorial. This tutorial is going to basically show you a little bit about what the factors are when doing an organic post, and we're going to lightly cover paid posts.
What's an organic post?
Well, an organic post, Don, is basically any post that you do that is not paid for by you or your client or anybody.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And I do. Before I begin, I want to basically say that we're going to try to do this in 2 minutes. That's why
You can't do anything in 2 minutes.
Well, actually, you can, Don, but we won't get into that. So 2.7 billion people go on Facebook every month. 80% of those users are using mobile phones. Due to COVID, actually more people are on their phones now more than ever. So this is a great time to take advantage of learning the Facebook algorithm.
What's an algorithm?
Oh, that's a great question, Don. Basically, what we're looking at is Facebook decides what posts are valuable enough to put on the timeline of your users, friends, followers, or whoever it may be.
All my posts are valuable.
Well, that's probably true, Don. Not to hurt your feelings, but he's right, man. I mean, all of our posts are valuable. That's what we believe. However, the algorithm decides which ones are truly valuable or go into that virtual dumpster. And let's not forget that Facebook's mission is to keep you on the platform. That's why they made, in 2020, $86 billion gross. That's a lot of money. Okay, the first thing we're going to talk about is Facebook reach.
What is this reach?
Well, it's not that kind of reach, but what it is, Don, is basically Facebook decides of the 1,000 followers, it's going to send only to 5.2% of your followers.
5%?
Okay.
What?
That's it, 5%. Then don't forget that love actually is more valuable than likes. Yeah, I didn't know that, did you? Write that down, Don.
Write that down. Marcelo, what should I avoid when I'm posting organically?
Well, we're going to talk about that. The first thing, which just irritates me because people don't understand this, YouTube and Facebook don't like each other, so never put a YouTube link on a Facebook post.
I always do YouTube.
Well, that's why your posts don't get any exposure, Don.
No,
I keep telling you that. Facebook wants you to stay on the platform. So if you put YouTube links, taking them off the platform, guess what? They're going to take you and basically say, I'm going to put you in the virtual dumpster. There you go. The other thing is, don't use low quality photos. Don't use low quality videos.
We always shoot high quality videos.
Well, that's right. So just give us a call because that's what we do for our profession. And that's what gets more engagement and reach. Better quality videos from us. At the end of the day, guys, you want to teach, inspire, and just motivate people to like your post. The other thing you want to make sure of is to minimize that sales pitch as much as possible. Stop putting like 30% off, buy now. Let's go into basically when to post. A lot of people don't realize it, but you can actually post when your followers are on the most, and the information on when your followers are on the most is actually in your insights in Facebook.
You mean I can tell when they're on all the time? How's that
Absolutely.
work?
And what's amazing about that, Don, is that not only do you know when your clients are on, but you know how many are male, how many are female, how many Republicans, Democrats.
I didn't know that.
Absolutely. And don't forget, when you see that like of two different people from various walks of life, go ahead and invite them to your page because that's how you expand your followers. Now, what I want to do here is just show you one of my clients, Sultry Vibes, and we did an actual paid post. And as you can see, thousands of people with reach, and it was only $50. It makes sense. And look at all the engagement and all the link clinks. Did I just say that? All the links that people went to. Now, the thing behind this, guys, is targeting, because we can target.
What do you mean targeting?
Well, it's like kind of like, if we were selling a product like here at Sultry Vibes, I would target a certain age group or a certain maybe male versus female based on whatever page I wanted to go to on the website. Areas around San Antonio, I can go as deep and far as U.S., worldwide, all the way down to the city itself.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so we can actually target those potential clients based on your product or service. And what I like to do also, something called warming up your audience. And people don't understand that because like warming up the audience doesn't make any sense, but it actually holds true. Because remember, Facebook will push out your post, organic post, to those first 5 family and friends. But if they don't respond, if they don't like you, or if you really upset them because you didn't go to the reunion last week, well, guess what? They're not going to respond or engage. That means your basic post is going to go in that virtual dumpster.
Virtual dumpster?
Absolutely, Don. Call your friends and family or let them know, or if you're in business, let your employees know, hey, I just made a post, go ahead and like and share. And guess what? The more you do that, then I'll stimulate that Facebook algorithm to push it out to new clients and new customers. The other thing to take to note is don't make a laboriously long and boring video. It happens. Make it concise and consistent, like we're doing on this particular video, and that's why we're shooting it for 2 minutes.
Do anything.
But that's probably true. That's why I need you, Don.
Yep.
But the thing is when you make a short video that's going to be impactful and strong and powerful, people are going to remember. And remember that if the actual person watches the entire video, Facebook will take that information and say, this must be a worthy video, so let's send it out to more people, thus increasing engagement, reach, and branding your business. See? It works.
I got it.
That's what I'm saying. And to finish up, guys, like always, hey, like and share and comment on this because it'll also help our engagement for our production work within ourselves. And finally, did we hit that 2-minute mark? I don't even know what time.
2-minute mark, you're already over.
I'm already over. But you know what? It kept you engaged, it kept you interested, and that's the whole game right here, guys. So from all of us, Don and Marcelo in the background, I want to say goodbye and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share and appreciate
See you next time.
Appreciate it. Thanks, John. God bless.